Who am I? Who am I inside? In mind and in heart, neither deep in my soul, which transcends everywhere, that makes people criticize me. I am a pretender in all my life, pretending to be strong just for the sake of others. I was a ghost of my past that haunts me all my life, wherever I am go or whomever I am with. All I knew that there was something inside of me that shakes my head and heart all day, which really likes to come out of its shell, but it can't do because of being a majestic pretender. Therefore, I really do know in myself that I'm a majestic pretender, which no one knows, even if my special friends nor someone who were there all my younger years until now that I'm growing up, which I've become wiser.